In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero invoices in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just getting started with Xero, knowing how to quickly retrieve your invoices is essential for keeping your finances in check. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into this straightforward guide. Our journey begins by navigating to the official Xero website. It's the gateway to all your accounting needs, so make sure you're visiting the right site. Once you land on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options available, but let's focus on the task at hand. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find the Login button, clearly marked and waiting for your click. This is your entry point into the personalized world of Xero, where all your financial data resides securely. After clicking on Login, you're prompted to enter your credentials. This includes your email and password, the keys to unlocking your Xero account. It's a good practice to ensure your password is strong and unique, but more importantly, remember it, or have it securely saved in a password manager. Once you've input your email and password, it's time to access your account by clicking the Login button. This is where the real magic begins. As the dashboard loads, take a moment to appreciate the clean, user-friendly design that Xero is known for. Our next step requires us to find the business section. But don't fret, it isn't a treasure hunt. You'll easily find the business menu. It's designed to be intuitive. Once located, click on it to expand your options. Here's where Xero begins to showcase its strength in organizing your financials. Within the business drop-down, there's an option labeled Invoices. This is your gateway to viewing, organizing, and managing all your invoicing needs. Give that a click, and you're one step closer to finding the specific invoice you're after. Now, you might be looking at a list of invoices wondering, how do I find the one I'm looking for? Xero has a powerful search feature designed for just this purpose. Locate and click on the search option within the invoicing area. This is where you can refine your search to find exactly what you need. Without wasting time scrolling through endless lists, it's time to put the search functionality to work. Type in the specific details of the invoice you're searching for. This could be the invoice number, a client's name, or any associated reference that will help Xero narrow down the results. Accuracy here will save you time, so be as specific as possible. After entering your search criteria, hit the search button once again. This action prompts Xero to sift through all your invoices, applying the details you provided to present you with the most relevant results. And there you have it. The invoice you were looking for appears almost as if by magic. But it's not magic, it's Xero working efficiently to ensure that you're not lost in a sea of paperwork, even if it's digital paperwork. With just a few clicks, you've managed to navigate the world of Xero from login to locating an individual invoice, all in under 5 minutes. Now, I hope this video has demystified the process of retrieving your Xero invoices. Remember, the power of Xero isn't just in its ability to manage invoices. Its real power lies in providing you with the time and freedom to focus on what really matters in your business. Feel free to revisit any steps if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore more of what Xero has to offer. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your continued success in managing your business finances with ease and efficiency.